I want problems! What's going on here? Ajizu!
Are you playing? What kind of play? This is playing.
You don't know. Don't want peace. I want problems. What's going on here? 70 years old man. Then Charlie boy, now I'm too much. What's going on here?
Hey, my son, please help me with water. I'm thirsty.
Water. But this water is for something else. But no problem. Have it, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, yo, no problem.
Thank
No problem.
you are welcome. Oh, wait, before you go, please, can you help me with my bag?
To carry it,
Put it on my head. Yes.
please.
You know what? My son, just have the bag. It is yours.
But I don't know the content inside the bag.
It doesn't matter. Just take it and go.
I should take it and go.
Yeah, take it, please.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Wait. Hope it's not what I'm thinking. Let me check. Hey, this too. This is money. Epa must know about this. Epa. Thank you.
Hey, there could be. What is it? Jesus, Osalogba. What do you get a lot of money for?
Eh? Very good. I was passing by. I saw a old man. He said I should help him. I had the water I gave him. I was starving to drink.
Hold on. Hope is not that man that is wearing suit.
Definitely.
AJ,
You got it right.
that man have begged me for help and I ignore him.
Hey.
Uncle B, let me help you to carry.
Don't worry, you carry.
Uncle B, we are 5 and 6, so.
Don't worry, I'm coming. I want to go and make arrangement for us.
AJ. Uncle B. Hi. See why it is good to be doing good. It is very good to be doing good, Osalogba. Assuming I beg this man now, I'll be in charge of this money. Hi. Uncle B.
You shall say nothing, you charlatans, misguided elements, sentimental knives, capactic innuendo.
Foolish you. You have sense? Are you stupid?
Jesus.
You don't want to make it in life?
You go faint. What he go tell you?
Who is this man?
You come from Africosh, now you enter Abidjan. How do you come out from Africosh and enter Abidjan? What's going on? Who are you?
I will use this teeth to bite your left ear. So that.
Angel, I shall popo.
This man.
Fine girl.
I don't want peace. I want problems.
Baby. This one is not talking. Osalobua. Yeah, I know the solution to it.
It's a weapon. Animal. Thief. Idiot. Bastard. Literally. African. Zombie.
Hey, pa! DJ! One fine girl just enter our street. Yes, very
I don't
fine.
understand. Which of the swat girl just enter our street?
Will you not? Don't you understand the situation of this?
Oh, I could be here. You will go straight to the
Hey,
point.
no.
Huh? And you go straight to the point. Where's the body?
Calm down, calm down. Calm down, calm down. She dey here.
She said, yeah, let's go now.
Wait. Before una go. They say a stitch in time save nine. That girl that you want to go and she's not a human being.
As I don't understand.
For your own life, for the sake of your life, both of you, please don't go. She's not a human being.
What's this? Uncle B, what's this one saying?
Fine girl like that.
I know you will not hear, but
Let's go.
hey, you will see. Okay.
Hey, pa. Move faster.
Where's she? Okay.
Mercy upon us.
Ozalobo. Pino. She's looking good though. By the way, I think my friend said that he like you.
Before that, please, I'm in a hurry. Please, I really need to get to someone now. Please, can I have your phone? Like
My phone?
Yes, can
No,
I?
it's not my phone. I have your fiancé phone. Give her.
Give her your phone.
Is it not you that want to marry? Is it me that want to marry?
Yes.
Give her your phone.
Anything for her. Take it.
EJ. Don't worry, us.
God have mercy.
This one has no network now. This one, there's no network on
There's
this
no
one
network
now.
on this.
There's no network now.
There's no problem with that. I will give you my home. I'm sorry that my own is small.
No problem. I'll manage it. Thank you.
Good.
Epa.
Uncle B.
Epa. Where is the phone?
Which one is where's the phone?
Did I not tell you to give her your phone?
Which one is my phone? Is it me that want to come and touch them? Is it not you?
Is it big phone that I'm supposed to first give her?
Me that I'm going out. You come all the way from here. Come inside. Come and touch them.
When I called you, I asked you to come and follow her.
Uncle B, go and find
Did
my
I ask
phone.
you to give her phone?
Go and find my phone. If you know, go and find my phone.
70 years old man.